This is solar water heater. This is the inlet pipe, and water will come inside. So in this model, no need to fix a pipe which will touch, which should be above the tank. So this tank will remove that need. So we need to keep the air pipe which should be above the overhead tank. So this is the Supreme water solar water heater, and this is a tube system, you will see here. And the structure also is strong when I compare to 200 liters Anu solar, but outer coated. This is MS structure. The Anu solar will give steel steel structure, but it's not heavy. So this is powder coated one. Thank you for watching houseconstructiontips.com.